Krishna,
Hi, I'm Ranjit.
nice meeting with you.
Me too.
Okay, please have a seat.
You first.
Okay, thank you.
You are most welcome.
Okay, let's start our conversation.
Yeah, I'm ready. We start.
Okay, tell me what are you doing right now?
Actually, I am doing nothing and I am thinking about the Sahara. What is your opinion about the Sahara?
Actually, I want to say that the Sahara is very famous fair in our country, and we all that everyone goes to Choraha.
In the fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like also fair. And what do you want to think about the Sahara and what do you want to buy in this the Sahara?
Actually, I want to go to visit, and I want to buy some studies articles to read out.
Actually, I'm not talking about study materials. I am talking about the things which you like much, as like any type of toy or any type of picture of any god.
Yes, I will buy the pictures of goddess Lakshmi and Durga, and I will also buy the pictures of the Lord Ganesha, and after that I will go to worship of goddess, and after worshipping I will go to visit, and I will eat first of all I will eat fried weekend balls because it's my favorite, and after that I will go anywhere. You tell about
It seems that you are very hungry right now and you want to eat everything which is in fair. No problem, but I'm also very excited for the Dasara, and I will also see the uh, statue of goddess Durga, and I will also buy some articles like photos of goddess and gods, and I will buy some toys for my little brothers and sisters, and many more. And uh, with whom would you like to go in the Sahara?
I would like to go with my family and my friends too.
With your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also in your favor that you will go with your friends in the Sahara. And uh, where would you like to go in the Sahara?
First of all, I would like to go to Pindi Chora, and after that I will go to the market. And what's about you?
I have the same thing, and I would also like to go in my own area, not in any other area like Lar and Salampur, because I have no much money to go in outer areas, and I am happy in my area. That's why I will see the statues which is in my area.
Yes, it's matter, and it is true that what will we do to go there, because only we have to face of the goddess, and we have to eat some articles, we have to buy twice, and whenever we will go in any cities, then we can't get any special things there.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think that we go in outer areas to see different type of circles, different type of circus. I mean, and different type of things, new things, and you know very well that in this festival we see different type of new things and amazing things. And I also like this festival because of this, because in this festival we uh, um, swing in the swing, and we see pandal of Lord Durga, goddess Durga, and there are so many things that attract me in this festival. So
Okay. Oh, okay. Tell me, where would you like to go, and what will you eat there?
actually I eat only which you like. I mean, fried chicken balls.
Okay. Then let's go together to fair, and we will visit there.
Yeah, same here.
Okay. Tell me, do you have money?
Yeah, I have money. I have collected money for this festival.
Okay, will you spend your money at me?
Yeah, of course. If you don't mind, I can.
Okay, of course we will go together, and you will help me with your money, and we can eat different types of things
Yeah.
there, and we also can buy some articles uh, from the fair. Okay, okay. Tell me what's about your family.
What's about my family? My family is also happy as I think, and they have their own plans. I don't know about their plans, but I have my own plans that I have to do something new in this festival.
And tell me one thing that COVID-19 is also spreading in all over the country. And what's about your opinion about about the COVID-19 in this fair of the Sahara?
Oh, yeah, it's a big problem for the people because we know very well that in this festival people will gather at the same place where in the fair, and if we want to protect ourselves, we should follow the regulations and rules and regulations. I mean, and we should wear masks, and we should not make a big crowd in the fair, and we should keep distance from the people because we know very well that it's very dangerous for us.
The same thinking I was also thinking that I will go to the any cities to visit, but but COVID-19 is spreading in all over country. That's why I also don't want to go in any cities. It's a matter because COVID-19 is very dangerous for us, and it spread one by one person. That's why I do not want to go in any cities, and that's why I want to only visit in my own area.
Yeah, I also want to do like this.
Okay, then let's go at home.
Okay, I will see you in the Sahara, in the fair of the Sahara, with wearing my mask.
Okay, come with your mask, but I how can I recognize you in while wearing a mask?
I will search you and I will come to you.
Okay, then let's go at home. Nice to talk to you.
Me too.